You know, Mike, I've been sitting down with Art Cashin at the bar at Bobby Van's Steakhouse across the street for our annual catch-up. Been doing this for more than a decade, reflecting on the wild year that was and looking ahead to 2019. Art and I both agree that the big story for 2018 was the return of volatility. Now, here are some of Art's thoughts on what's in store for 2019. First, on the Fed and rate hikes, none.
I think perhaps the Fed will not hike ever again in 2019. If you go back and look at what I said, both in our interview and with you, time and time again, I have been a bear on yields. I think that the Fed is somewhat misreading what's going on. Yields are not going much higher, and there's an outside chance that they cut before the end of 2019.
And on the stock market in 2019, expect a bumpier ride.
Yes, I think it will be very volatile, and for the first half, probably flat to down as the Fed and others grapple with what they want to do.
Next, on tariff and trade wars, Art thinks the president may walk back the tariffs, but a long-term trade deal with China is much less likely.
I don't believe so. I think we will get something that approximates it, and you'll get, perhaps in mid-year, a relaxation rally, but with the problems of political secrets and whatever, I don't think it works out.
As for Art's 2018 predictions, I give him high marks for his three core predictions. First, China could interrupt the synchronized global growth story. He's right on that. Second, the Fed. The risk is that inflation remains too low. Well, let's give him half right on that. Inflation moved toward the Fed's target, but was still shy of it. And finally, Bitcoin will not work out the way the Bitcoin enthusiasts think it will. Right on that. You know, this is not bad given how low the accuracy rate of most predictions are. One final point, by the way, Art reflected much of the angst for 2019 by freely acknowledging how uncertain many of the outcomes are on big issues like Brexit, trade, global growth, and President Trump himself. By the way, you want to see the full interview? Many more predictions from Art Cashin. TraderTalk.cnbc.com.